Image copyright EPA Image caption Australian Deputy PM Barnaby Joyce will face questions over his New Zealand citizenship. A dual citizenship saga that has gripped Australian politics for almost 2 months will not be tested in court until October. The court will decide whether 7 MPs are ineligible to sit in Parliament for potentially being dual citizens when they ran for office. A preliminary hearing for 5 of the politicians took place on Thursday. The final outcome could imperil Prime Minister Malcolm Turnbull's slender grip on power. The most high-profile person under scrutiny is Deputy Prime Minister Barnaby Joyce, a New Zealand dual citizen until last week. Mr. Joyce sits in the lower House of Representatives, where Mr. Turnbull's government has only a one-seat majority. Under Australian law, anyone who holds dual citizenship cannot run for office. If any government MPs in the lower house were to be ruled ineligible, it would trigger a by-election, and Mr. Turnbull could face barriers to retaining power. The High Court of Australia said it would conduct the hearings over 3 days from the 10th of October, about a month later than the government had hoped. On Thursday, the court heard submissions from lawyers for Mr. Joyce and Minister for Resources and Northern Australia Matt Canavan, a possible citizen of Italy. Far-right Senator Malcolm Roberts, who claims he renounced his UK citizenship, Scott Ludlam, who quit as co-deputy leader of the left-wing Greens over his New Zealand status, and other Greens co-deputy leader and Canadian dual national, Larissa Waters, who has also resigned. Image caption Larissa Waters made history as the first politician to breastfeed in Australia's Parliament. 2 UK dual nationals, Government Senator Fiona Nash and Independent Senator Nick Xenophon, will have their cases referred at a later date. Chief Justice Susan Kiefel acknowledged the issue was unusual and that there was a high level of urgency in resolving the debate. However, she rejected a push by Australia's Solicitor General Stephen Donoghue, QC, to have the cases heard in September, to allow legal teams more time to prepare.